Hello everyone, take a tissue paper and draw the green color lines using green marker like this. Now cut it out. After that, take the clay and press it like this and put the paper cuttings inside the clay using the stick. Fix it properly as shown in the video. Put different colors. Now draw the green color stems and leaves using green color marker. Put the leaves like this, draw it and then color it. Now after that, fix it and it's ready. Next, take the yellow color and draw the lines like this. Now using green color, draw the grasses. Take the yellow color clay, roll it like this and make the flowers using it as shown in the video. Press it and flatten it. Now draw the lines on the sides using the stick like this and spread the clay as shown in the video. Now make the line in the between using the spatula. Draw the black lines on the sides of it using the black marker. Put some clays around it and it's ready. Next, take a white sheet and draw the branches of the tree using brown color marker. Now after that, take the color using the earbuds. We will make the flowers over it. So take the color like this and draw the dots as shown in the video using the earbuds. Decorate it. Now take the yellow color clay, put it and paste the balls over it like this. Now make the holes and spread it using the stick or put the brown color dots in the between. Make some leaves and it's ready. Next, draw the branches of the tree using the brown color marker like this. Draw it carefully. Now put the pink color clay in by making the balls like this and spread it using the spatula from the sides. Spread the clay in the same manner as shown in the video. Put the yellow color clay in the between. Now take the spatula and make the leaves and it's ready. Next, take the tissue paper, cut it like this into small pieces, put the white color clay and put the tissue paper inside it using the stick like this. Now, make the face of the swan like this. Now, draw the leaves and plants over it like this using the clay. Make the water under it like this and your swan is ready. Next, take a clay and spread it. Now put the line in the between. Now paste the leaves over the branches of the tree. Now make some apples or cherries if you want. Put the red color clay by making the balls like this. Decorate it. Make the holes on it like this. And then we will put some lines on each of the red balls and it's ready. Next, take a black color paper and make the line over it like this. Now put the yellow color clay in the front. Put some balls like this. Now put the white color clouds around it and it's ready. Next, take the leaf and then put the green color over it and then imprint it on the sheet like this. Take the white color and press it in the same manner. Put the red color dots over it. Make the leaves and paste it like this. Take the clay and put it over it and it's ready. Thanks for watching a video.